What a vibe, poolside, hair and makeup, fashion show, pearl jewelry, see Krishniah Chetty group of jewelers, Old Cottonians.
It was a great time to bring all the Cottonians together. We love our school, we're very proud of it, and no better event than the OC Ball.
This show was beyond complexion, beyond beauty.
And of course the association with the best jeweler in town. So yes, love the jewelry, love the vibe.
It's an absolute pleasure and honor to be awarded the Cottonian King for the year 2022 by the Sri Krishniah Chetty and Sons. They're running the Pearl campaign now, and it's quite apt time that, we are associated with this event.
So this is a fine collection. I'm proud and honored to be wearing and to be walking the ramp.
Thank you so much for the crowd and for the event. It was beautifully organized and the jewelry is spectacular.
A very big thank you to Krishniah Chetty and the Old Cottonians Association for this wonderful opportunity. We had an absolutely wonderful time right from the rehearsals to the show to wearing all of these pieces of jewelry.
And we're looking forward to more such events by you, and please keep bringing us together.